A very good morning, dear students. Today we all are going to discuss the FIBSC practical paper. Actually, the skeleton paper is very simple, which has been shared already to you. So let me tell you, there will be only three questions. One is going to be the major, another is going to be the minor, and one identification is there. In the major, X and Y, they will have the separate question. So one group of student will be getting the paramecium. In that paramecium culture will be given, or you will be having the slide, you may have the photo also. Anything will be there. In that you have to write about, see, the most important is you have to write about the food vacuole or contractile vacuole or the ciliary movement of the paramecium, which is already given in your journal. And one group of students have to identify the effect of pH or the temperature. So any one parameter will be given to you, pH. So different type of pH will be given, and culture of trypsin or amylase will be given to you. You have to study the effect of that, as in the regular practical we all have done. In the minor, there are three options. One group of student will get the pH of milk, aerated drinks, and the lemon juice, or maybe any other sample. In short, you will be getting 3 to 4 different samples. You have to identify the pH by using the pH paper and pH meter. We can even give you the universal indicator. A protocol will be given for each practical, so you don't worry about it. Now one group of student may get the packaging of the lab apparatus. So test tube, pipette, petri plate, conical flask, you have to do. A separate video is there, you can search and you will get it. Then I will share with you. A group of student may also get the calculation part. So in that simple question, as we have solved in the journal, so that type of question only will be given to you. You have to find out the concentrations like molarity, normality, and percentage. So molecular weight will be given to you, and as per that molecular weight you have to find out that how you are going to do that. Then next, identification part. A student, first spot A will be the nutritional or excretory apparatus to you. B will be the heart or the respiratory apparatus. C will be the reproductive structure, and D is going to be the any one safety symbol or a microscope will begin. You have to identify the part, which part has been labeled. That is a very simplest part. And question number 4 is journal and viva. So journal means a complete certified journal, and viva will be based on the practical component. If you have any doubt, just write it into the comment, I will reply to you. And if I will get the time, I will discuss all the identification, all 4 points with you. Thank you very much.